Yeah, so hopefully that ties into the evolution of your technology stack for the technical audience. I'm sure they're curious if you encounter any technical challenges, how were you building your solution with data? What was the evolution of the technology stack, particularly to enable some of the newer technology, newer interaction you're mentioning?
Sure. Yeah. So there's probably a couple different evolutions that are important to highlight. The first is, the development of our own machine learning models. And then the next one I'll talk about is the transition from answer automation to task and process automation. On the former, in the very early days of Ada, really when we were very much in experimental mode, we were leveraging third-party NLU engines to classify the intent of incoming customer inquiries. And that meant we were using technology like Google's, Facebook's. We were very familiar with the Amazon intent classification APIs. And we had some success with those in the early days, and really it taught us what those technologies are good at and where there are areas that they stand to improve. We ended up developing our own model after we started to understand the constraints that the existing ones pose, and we trained it initially on customer service data from across the web. Millions and millions of customer service help articles. And so the data set that we were starting with was far more tuned to the types of conversations that we were automating for our brands. And we started to see better results. The second part of that evolution was we developed an innovative way of enabling a brand to get very rapid results from Ada's global machine learning model, while simultaneously developing even stronger results from their own conversational data. And what that has resulted in is a unique architecture around how Ada understands your customers' questions and your customers' behavior. When you work with Ada, you're actually tapping into a global machine learning model that's now made up of the collective conversational data set of billions and billions of customer interactions from around the world. That allows you to quickly, out of the box, launch something that's very intelligent. And the speed at which you're able to do that is something our clients love. You can get up and running in days using Ada. You're simultaneously developing, as you automate more and more interactions with Ada, your own local machine learning model that's trained exclusively on your customer data. And a prediction that comes from Ada is actually dynamically weighted between your global and local model. And that's how we get even stronger and stronger results over time. What that translates into is our clients will start with automating roughly 40% of their conversations using our automation within the first 30 days of working with us. But over time, within the first 6 months, we often see our clients eclipse 80%, in some cases 90% of all interactions being fully automated. And so that's been a big part of our it was a major evolution in our tech stack to be able to facilitate that. The second part was the evolution from our answer automation to our task automation. And that really meant enabling Ada to be a truly modular integrations platform. And we have hundreds of integrations into different data systems so that you can track a package automatically from a Shopify API or a Convey API, that you can launch Ada in any channel, whether it's on SMS or Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or Instagram. The ability to tap into other systems and deploy your automation in other channels is something we've invested a lot in, and it's been a big part of our partnership success. And it's a huge part of our partnership investments moving forward.